Well, the dogs are barking too loud, it's just getting on my nerves. Been trying to record for 3 motherfucking hours, but they won't shut the fuck up and they keep howling. Ooh! Can you fucking hear that, my neighbors? Do I give a fuck about my neighbors? My dogs don't. So they keep howling and barking and going like it's the moon. But it's 8:40 in the morning, it ain't even motherfucking noon. They won't shut the fuck up just for once, they won't fucking stop. Holy shit, they stopped.